Many people struggle to lose weight. It's a common issue that affects millions around the world. It feels like gaining weight is much easier. You might indulge in a few extra snacks or larger meals and suddenly, the scale tips upward. You may eat a little extra for a few days and gain weight. This can happen quickly and often without much notice. But losing that same weight can take much longer. It often requires consistent effort, dedication, and a lot of patience. This is a common experience shared by many. The struggle to shed pounds is something most people can relate to. Why is it so difficult? The reasons are numerous and complex. Our bodies and minds are complex. They are influenced by a variety of factors that make weight loss challenging. There is no single answer. Each person's journey is unique, influenced by their own set of circumstances. Several factors contribute to this challenge. These include diet, exercise, stress levels, sleep patterns, and even genetics. Losing weight requires effort and understanding. It's about making informed choices and staying committed to a healthier lifestyle. We need to understand our bodies, minds, and environments. This holistic approach can make the process more manageable. This essay will explore some of the reasons why losing weight feels so hard. We will delve into the science and psychology behind it. We will also discuss practical tips that can help. By understanding these factors, you can develop strategies to overcome the challenges and achieve your weight loss goals. Our bodies are designed to store energy. This energy storage system is a fundamental aspect of our survival mechanism. This helped our ancestors survive times when food was scarce. During periods of abundance, they would consume more food, storing the excess as fat to be used during leaner times. When we eat more calories than our body needs, it stores the extra energy as fat. This is a natural process, but in modern times, with easy access to high-calorie foods, it can lead to excessive weight gain. Our metabolism plays a crucial role in weight management. It is the process by which our body converts what we eat and drink into energy. Metabolism refers to all the chemical processes that occur in our body to keep us alive. These processes include breathing, circulating blood, and repairing cells. This includes converting food into energy. The energy produced is used for various bodily functions, from basic activities like walking to complex processes like thinking. However, our metabolism slows down when we lose weight. This is because the body becomes more efficient, requiring fewer calories to perform the same activities. This means our body burns fewer calories at rest. As a result, maintaining weight loss can become increasingly difficult over time. This makes it harder to continue losing weight or maintain weight loss. Many people experience a plateau, where their weight loss stalls despite continued efforts. Our genes also play a role. Genetic factors can influence how our body stores fat and how efficiently our metabolism functions. Some people are genetically predisposed to store fat more easily. This genetic predisposition can make it more challenging for some individuals to lose weight compared to others. This can make weight loss more challenging. Understanding these factors can help us develop more effective strategies for managing our weight and improving our overall health. Our minds can also make weight loss challenging. The way we think about food and our eating habits play a significant role in our ability to manage our weight effectively. We develop habits around food. These habits are often formed over many years and can be deeply ingrained in our daily routines. These habits can be hard to break. It takes time, effort, and sometimes even professional help to change these long-standing patterns. For example, we may be used to eating large portions or snacking throughout the day. These behaviors can contribute to an excess calorie intake without us even realizing it. Emotional eating is another factor. When we use food to cope with our emotions, it can create a cycle that's hard to break. We often turn to food for comfort when we feel stressed, bored, or sad. This can lead to consuming more food than our bodies actually need. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Over time, these extra calories can add up, making it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. Our beliefs about food and our bodies also matter. The way we perceive our body image can influence our eating behaviors and overall health. If we have a negative body image, we may be less likely to take care of ourselves. This can lead to a cycle of unhealthy eating and poor self-esteem, making weight management even more challenging. Our environment also plays a significant role in our weight. We live in a world where calorie-dense, processed foods are readily available. These foods are often cheaper and more convenient than healthier options. Food marketing can also be very persuasive and influential. Advertisements often promote unhealthy foods as being delicious and satisfying. This can make it hard to make healthy choices. Our social environment can also influence our weight. If we are surrounded by people who eat unhealthy foods and don't exercise, we may be more likely to do the same.